All right, so we're gonna basically be doing what we would be doing with FOIL, but now we're multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. So this is what it's gonna look like. We're gonna multiply x to all three of these terms, okay? And let's do that first. Um, let me erase it so you can, I'll draw them I'll draw those lines as I do it, okay? So we're gonna do x times x squared, and we're gonna get x cubed. Then we're going to do x times negative 3x, and we'll get negative 3x squared. And then we're going to do x times 1, which is just going to give us x. Okay? And that's the first bit of this. Now, we have to multiply everything now by the 5. The 5 here. 5 times x squared is 5x squared. The 5 times negative 3x is negative 15x. And the 5 times the 1 is the 5. Now, this is a situation where you're more likely to get multiple things that are like terms that will be combined. Okay? And if we look at it, you can see that we've got x squared terms here and here. And we've also got x terms here and here. So if we put this all together, we would say the only x cubed term is the one on front, x cubed. The x squared terms that are underlined in green, we've got negative 3 and then plus 5. That ends up combining negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2. They are x squared terms. Then we've got the x terms underlined in blue, x and negative 15x. That's like 1 minus 15 is negative 14, and they are x terms. And then we only have one constant, which is 5 at the end. And that's our answer. So we will box our answer. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing again down here. And in fact, let's do this. It doesn't really matter whether you, I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to distribute this to this, and to this, and to this. Okay? That's the same as if we started with the 2x squared, or the 2a squared. And let's do it that way, just so you can see that this is legit too. We could do it like this, that, and then do this, this, and that. We could do that. And it's actually sometimes easier to start with the one that's smaller, do it from the one that's smaller. Well, let's just do this. Let's say 2a squared times 5a. That gives us 10a cubed. And then do 2a squared times negative 4 is negative 8a squared. Okay? We've done it from the 2a squared, so we're going to erase that. And now we're going to do it from the 4a. 4a to the 5a is plus 20a squared. And then the 4a to the negative 4, negative 16a. And then we will erase those marks and do it from the 5. 5 times 5a is 25a, and 5 times negative 4, negative 20. Now we've got to see what are the like terms. We've got a like term in the a squared terms, and we've got like terms in the a terms. Okay? So we'll put them all together again. We've got 10a cubed. The a squared terms give us negative 8 plus 20 is positive 12. A squared. The blue terms, negative 16a and 25a, combine to be positive 9a. and then the negative 20 at the end. And that's what we get as our final answer. We'll box that, and we're good to go. Just be sure that everything from every term in one polynomial, that term multiplies all of the terms in the other polynomial. That's essentially what you've got to do. And you can see that happening when you do the table method that was earlier in this assignment as that second method to do.